Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So I'm very excited about today's unboxing because it is actually my first Prada bag, and I am actually really excited because although you might think that this is a trendy item, I agree. I feel like it is a trendy item, but for me, in my case, I feel like it's actually going to be a forever piece. And I'm going to explain why. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the unboxing so that I don't chit chat so much. So this particular purse, which you know which one it is the Prada Re-Edition 2005 bag, and the one that I got was in nylon. And I purchased this because I couldn't find it anywhere. It was sold out on Prada. A few other websites didn't have it, and the one that actually was in stock was Selfridges. So I got this from Selfridges, and it was pretty easy. They had it in stock, so I went ahead and got it. So there's signature Selfridges yellow, and I like it because I don't have to use any other like a knife or scissors to open this box, because as you probably know, I'm not the best with using those things, but this is super easy. And there is the Selfridges name, and this is, like I said, my first Prada handbag, and I'm really excited. This is just information on return. So the item that they have on the website is for $1,095, but that is not including the what do they call it, import duties. Plus import duties was about another $200, so it ended up being about $1,300 for this bag, buying it on Selfridges. I'm not sure if that is the price, because I didn't really look at the price at the other websites. I just was looking to see who actually had the bag because I really wanted it. I'm not sure if I got it at a more expensive price, but if I did, it really doesn't matter because, like I said, to me, this is going to be a forever bag. But yeah, that's all the information that's on here. And in case I want to do a return. So it looks like I don't have a Prada bag. I mean, box. I really wanted a Prada box because I've mentioned before that I had my closet redone. So I had my closet done by California Closets, and it's really beautiful. And what I do is if it's not a repeated box like Louis Vuitton, I have a lot of things, so I only probably have like 1 or 2 boxes from Louis Vuitton. But Prada was my first, so I really wanted to display the box, but I didn't get one, which is a bummer, and I don't know why. Well, it says Prada on there, but it normally is a black box. Maybe due to COVID, they're not giving those out. I don't know, but that's not fair. I wanted my box. Anyway, so that's what the side looks like, what is on the box. And it just says Prada, Bandoliera, Nero, and a bunch of numbers. So, okay, well that sucks. And there's nothing else in here. All right. Damn it, I really wanted a box. Oh, like if it's Louis and you don't give me a box, I don't care. But Prada, I really wanted one. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to buy something else. Anyway, okay, so let's open this up. No way, no dust bag either. That freaking sucks. I know I might sound like I'm complaining for no reason, but I mean, it's my first Prada purchase, so I really wanted to get that experience, you know? So I've watched unboxings for this bag, and there is an actual dust bag for this on its own, so a little dust bag for this, and then it has another dust bag for the actual purse. Well, well, I got this crap. Whatever. Okay, I'm sorry. So let's go into the bag. So it is a beautiful bag. And I'm actually really excited that I was able to get it. You know what I'm thinking? They might have dust bags in here. Hopefully, let's see. But I'm super excited that I got this because this bag goes so perfect with my style. My favorite color, you're probably tired of hearing it, but it is black. I love black. If I could wear black every single day of my life, I would. But the multi-pochette by Louis Vuitton is one that looks a little bit similar like this. I know you know which one I'm talking about, the one with the khaki strap or the pink and gold strap, and then it has two pouches here with the gold chain. So that one actually, I didn't like it because, first of all, I didn't like the two pouches hanging one in front of the other, because once you fill it, one fill the other one, or I mean once you fill them both, they probably don't lay as flat as you want them to, and they probably like bulge out. So I didn't want that one, and I didn't want it because of the canvas. It was just too many pieces with that canvas. You know, you have the little coin purse and then the two pouches, and that is just too much canvas for me. Although if it was a big bag with one piece of canvas, I don't care, but it's just too much for me. And this being black, I just feel like it's so versatile for me. And I know, like I am 100% positive that I am going to love this bag, and I'm going to carry it a lot. So let's unwrap this. Oh, that's so cute. It says Prada nylon on here. And this bag comes in several colors. It also comes in leather. And I did want to get the leather one. I was on the fence on if I wanted the leather one or I wanted the nylon. I do know that nylon is very durable, so that wasn't the issue. The issue was that I wasn't sure if I wanted the silver hardware like this or if I wanted gold hardware. And the gold hardware does come on that leather bag. So I decided to go with this one because I already have my Louis Vuitton Felicie pochette, and that one has gold hardware. So decided to go with silver. I do not have any bags with silver hardware, which is really weird, but I don't. All of my bags have gold hardware. So let's attach this on there. Let's take this wrapping off. This is just like a little keychain. And it says Prada Re-Edition 2005. And let's see inside. Okay, I got a dust bag. Okay, I got a little dust bag, which is awesome. And here is the silver chain that goes on the outside of this bag. The dust bags that I've seen on all of these unboxings have been white, and this one is black. I'm not sure why, but it doesn't matter as long as they include something. We have more stuffing. Yay, and another dust bag. So this is the dust bag for the actual bag, which I appreciate. So thank you, Selfridges, for including that. More stuffing. And then we have here, about Prada wanting to change the planet while utilizing their nylon, because this is recycled nylon. That is why it has a recycled symbol on there, which I think is pretty cool. You see right there, it has a recycling symbol. So that's good. And here is probably just the authenticity card. Yes, that's what that is. And yep, good. And then probably just like a care card or something. Yeah. All right. So let's attach this little silver chain. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Wow, that is very hefty. You see there? It's really nice. that here. And that one there. Alright guys, so this is what the purse looks like all assembled. I feel like it is so cute. Oh my goodness, I am like so in love with this little thing. And I know it looks small, but like I said, I've watched several unboxings and what fits in my bag, and it seems to fit all of my essentials. So I'm really excited about that. I could actually show you what fits inside real quick, but I wanted to go into more detail about the bag. So I've seen several different types. I've seen some where it says Prada all over the nylon strap, but this one doesn't. And then I've seen ones that are just like mine. I think the ones that they launched later, so the newer ones, only have Prada on one side of the strap, which is fine, I really don't care. But look how cute this is. Oh, I'm so obsessed with this bag. I'm like super excited, more excited for this bag than I was for any of my Louis bags, just because I know me and I know my style. I'm like, I dress like really edgy. Like right now I'm wearing like combat boots and all black, whatever, but I love this. And of course, you can remove the big strap and you can carry this as a little shoulder bag. I probably might do that for you today. And you can actually carry this as a belt, I've seen as well, and it looks pretty cool like that. I really like it. So yeah guys, this is my bag. It does have some leather trim on the ends there, and then this little pull tab right here is leather as well, and the little keychain is leather as well, and the little logo there is in silver. I believe the other one, the leather one with the gold hardware, I believe that logo has gold tones on it to match that hardware. But yeah, I'm really happy with this bag. I'm gonna bring a few of my things that I carry all the time with me and see what I can fit in the bag. So I'll be right back. I currently am carrying this bag, but I went out on a quick run with my kids and I just wanted to downsize a little bit. So I went ahead and grabbed my Felicie Pochette, and this is actually the strap that belongs to my Lucky BB, also by Louis Vuitton. And like I was saying, I already own this bag that has gold hardware. This bag originally comes with a gold chain strap, not this. Like I said, I just changed it because I was like not dressed up at all and I didn't want that dressy chain on this bag. So I went ahead and switched for that quick errand that I just made. And I came home to the box that was delivered, so I was super excited and I wanted to film this today. So yeah. So let's see what can fit in this bag. So I have my wallet, which is the Louis Vuitton Recto Verso. Place that right in there. I have my keys. It is the 6-ring key holder. I have a Dior chapstick. Let's put my phone in there, which is an iPhone XS. Wow. That already fits great because in this Felicie, I can't fit my phone. So I can only fit what you just saw me take out, those 3 things. My wallet, my key ring holder, my key holder, and that lipstick. I cannot fit my phone in it. It'll just like stretch it out and then it won't close. So now I've got that plus my phone in here and it's perfectly fine. I can add some AirPods if I want to. What else do I have in here? Of course, let's not forget my sunscreen. I didn't have it in that bag because I just sprayed it before I left. That's pretty much all I would carry. But if you want to see what else fits in there, I have my pill case. Fits in there too. Wow, oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Like, it really fits everything I need. And if I don't want to carry this, I can probably put, and not this, I can probably put my sunglasses in there. But let me know if you want like an extensive video on what fits in this bag and I'll totally do that for you. Here is just like a quick glimpse of what fits in it. But let's see the inside of the bag. Oh man, I just like jumped right into seeing what fits inside. I didn't even show you the inside of the bag. Sorry. Bad YouTuber. But the inside has the Prada Milano plaque right there. It does not have an inside pocket, so this little bag does not have an inside pocket, which, I mean, I don't mind. And then the inside is just lined with what feels like nylon as well. And then it just has Prada all over the inside there, if you can see. And that is it. So there's not much going on the inside of the bag. It's just really plain. But let's see, I'm gonna like do a quick little like mod shot for you just to show you how it looks on me. And then this is of course completely adjustable. So it is adjustable and removable. And as you saw me add this chain, it is removable as well, but it is not adjustable. So let's see how this baby fits. This is just how it came. I haven't adjusted it at all. I might need to make it a little bit longer. Don't know. So let's try it on. Here's what it looks like when it is crossbody. I have it really short, and I think I kind of like it like this. And like you saw, all of my essentials are in here. It is not a heavy bag whatsoever. It is super lightweight, and I really, really, really love it. So if you wanted to make it longer, you could. If you wanted to make it shorter, against your body, you could. But I think I like it like that. That length is pretty nice to me. And this is what the bag looks like. Super cute. And let's take this off just to show you how you could carry it as a shoulder strap, but you could totally carry it as a shoulder strap with the strap that I'm taking off right now. But let's just see how this looks like this. Oh my goodness, look how cute this bag is. Oh, so comfortable. And it's so comfortable because it's very lightweight and it doesn't dig into your shoulder. And since you really can't fit excessive amounts of things in here, it's not going to get heavy. So this is so, so cute. Like that. And as you know, you can take this chain off if you don't like it. And I did see people wearing this as a belt. I'm not going to take the time to thread it through my pants right now just because, like I said, guys, I was not going to film today, but I saw this package at my door and I was like, oh my gosh, I absolutely just have to do it. So, alright, so I haven't looped it through my pants, and I probably would not wear it with pants. I probably would wear this with like a really baggy sweater and then add this to just cinch my waist a little bit and some boots. And that's it. This is so cute. And you could, of course, take this off if you wanted to and just wear it like that. And it does say Prada here. It's upside down. I didn't notice that, but of course you wouldn't wear it like that. You would fix it. But yeah, that's another way you could wear this. And like I said, you could wear this with the strap on. Like this as a shoulder bag as well, and you can leave this or take it off. You could carry it like that if you wanted to. I think that's really cute as well. Alright guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed that unboxing because I really did. I really enjoyed this bag. I feel like I'm going to wear it all the time. It is just like me in a little bag. I really love this bag. I hope that you guys enjoyed that unboxing. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving 2 more videos linked around here so you can watch. You can pick from one of the 2 if you're not done watching me. And of course, like I always say, let's always be kind to one another and let's always be grateful. Thanks so much.